Hello friends and welcome to this video. Now today we are going to talk about a very important thing. What do you do when you want to introduce yourself to a stranger, or you want to know who somebody is and you want to get the introduction of the other person? दोस्तों, आज जिस महत्वपूर्ण विषय पे हम बात करने वाले हैं वो है, अगर हम किसी को अपना परिचय देना चाहते हैं जिसे हम जानते नहीं, कोई अजनबी है, या हम किसी अजनबी का परिचय प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? आइए देखते हैं। अगर हम किसी को अपना परिचय देना चाहते हैं तो हमें जाके उनसे पहले पूछना चाहिए, क्या मैं आपका परिचय प्राप्त कर सकता हूं? क्या आपका शुभ नाम जान सकता हूं? या हम कह सकते हैं, क्या हम पहले मिले हैं? या लगता है मुझे हम पहले मिल चुके हैं। क्या ये सच है? ऐसा नहीं लगता कि हम मिले हैं पहले। क्या मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूं? क्या मैं आपको अपना परिचय दे सकता हूं? ये सारी चीजें अगर हम बोल के उनसे बातचीत शुरू करेंगे तो वो भी अपना परिचय हमें देंगे और हम भी अपना परिचय उन्हें दे पाएंगे। फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन यू सी अ स्ट्रेंजर एंड यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, देन you may go and start the conversation in this manner. May I know your name, please? Haven't we met before? This is just a way of saying that you want to meet the person now. The person also probably knows that you haven't met before, but the person will say, no, I don't think we've met, but let's meet now. Hello. I think we've already met, have we? Then the person might say, no, I don't exactly remember, but I am Raman. So then you'll say, I am Shubham. I don't think we've met before, have we? So the person will say, no, we haven't met. Yes, well, I am Raman. Or you go and say, excuse me, am I disturbing you? The person will say, no, not at all. Hi, I am so and so. May I introduce myself? So these are soft ways of approaching someone and getting to know that person's name, getting to know that person better, and also telling the person about yourself. And if you need to exchange your business cards, etc., then you would do so later on. Now let's also see, when you meet a person for the first time, what do you say? So when you meet them for the first time, then you must say, nice to meet you. Now this is a little informal, and if you say, how do you do, that's more formal. So if the person says, pleasure to meet you, then you say, same here. Otherwise, pleasure is mine, or it's my pleasure too. Pleased to meet you. The person will say, so happy to meet you, pleased to meet you, pleasure meeting you. So these are all things that you need to use when you're meeting. दोस्तों, जब आप मिलते हैं तो आप किसी से भी ये कहते हैं कि आपसे मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई। अगर वो कहते हैं कि आपसे मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई, तो आप कहते हैं मुझे भी, ये मेरा सौभाग्य है, मुझे बहुत आनंद आया आपसे मिलके। आप कैसे हैं? ये सारी चीज़ें हम जब पहली बार मिल रहे हैं किसी से, तो हम ये चीज़ें कहते हैं। और भी चीज़ें जो हम कह सकते हैं वो हैं, नाइस टू सी यू, आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा। स्वागत है आपका इस एग्जीबिशन में, मैं आपका स्वागत करना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस एग्जीबिशन में अपना स्वागत करने दीजिए। फ्रेंड्स, these are some other things that you might say. Nice to see you, welcome to the party, welcome to the meeting, welcome to the symposium, welcome to the presentation. So if you are on the host side, then you will meet and then you will greet and then you will welcome also. I'd like to welcome you to my office. I'd like to welcome you to this organization. So these are different ways of getting introduced to a stranger and getting to know the stranger a little better, and also to set the conversation on the correct track. So friends, use these small tips in order to make your conversation better. And with the link provided in the description, you can also join my spoken English mastery course for such tips and much more. So thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. I'll see you in the next. Until then, all the best.